In this video, I will share with you how to add a text on top of your website header in Hostinger Website Builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then click on Websites from this left side menu and select Websites list. Click on this Edit Website button next to the website built using Hostinger Website Builder. By the way, to differentiate between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger Website Builder, just look for this little icon. This is a WordPress website, and this is another one built using Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website header section, and to add a text on top of it, just click on this add sticky bar button. This is this section default text, and all you need to do is to put your own, just like that. Join fellow hikers on epic trails, call this number. And you can customize your text, for example, by selecting a text color from this list. You can also edit the text style, for example, heading 2 or just heading 5. Same thing for the font. You can upload it from your computer by hitting this upload button. You can also select a text font from this list. You can also edit the font size, the bold or not bold, italic, underlined, strike through, and you can also add a link. This link feature, I will use it for this phone number. Select the phone number, copy it, go to link, click on it. From this link to list, select phone number, and here fill in your phone number. Click on save, and now this phone number will be clickable. Let's see the other text. You can also here, you can clear formatting from just from here, and below these three dots you can also edit this on top section animation. For example, slide. Let's go. This is the slide effect, this is the scale effect, the fade, and or no animation. I will go with the slide effect. That was all for editing this text message design. Now to edit the section design, all you need to do is to click on the section. As you can see now, when I select the section like that, I get this message or I get this pop-up. Click on edit section. Before that, or before recording this video, I've encountered an error with selecting this exact section like that. It was not possible for me, and I was seeing this pop up, but it was directly hidden because the selection was going to this large section with this big photo. How to solve this issue? Simply select this bigger section or the section that the mouse automatically goes into and move it down just like that. Now if I hit this section, this top section, I see this pop-up tools just in case. Now click on edit section. From this settings new window, you can pick your section color. Let's try this blue background. You can also pick you can upload a photo from your computer or go with photos or free images from, I think they use Unsplash or Pexels.com. For the layout, you can adjust the section header. For example, let's make it a little bit bigger. And for the background color, I will go with this blue color. Now, don't forget to update your website. And let's view this editing live. This is a coming soon page. I need to disable it. And this is how to add a text on top of your header section in Hostinger website builder. I forgot to move up this section. To do it or to move it up, just click on this up arrow and update your website again. And this is how to add text on top of your header section in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.